Welcome to the heart of ancient Egypt, where the sands whisper secrets and the stones hold stories untold. Behold the Great Pyramid of Giza, an eternal testament to human ingenuity and divine mystery. Let us journey through time and uncover the enigmatic layers of this ancient wonder. Built over 4,500 years ago during the 4th dynasty of Egypt, the Great Pyramid stands as a monumental achievement of the Old Kingdom. Commissioned by Pharaoh Khufu, also known as Cheops, it served not only as his tomb, but also as a statement of his divine rule and the glory of ancient Egyptian civilization. The construction techniques of the Great Pyramid remain one of history's greatest enigmas. How did ancient builders, with only primitive tools, manage to erect such a colossal structure? Some historians suggest the use of ramps, both straight and circular, to elevate the stones to their final resting places. Others propose more advanced methods involving counterweights and ingenious engineering. Yet, the exact techniques remain shrouded in mystery, lost to the sands of time. The purpose and symbolism of the Great Pyramid delve deeper into the realm of the mysterious. Was it merely a term, or did it serve a higher, cosmic purpose? The pyramid's alignment with cardinal points and its internal chambers suggest a profound connection to the heavens. Some theories propose that the pyramid was a celestial machine, designed to bridge the earthly and the divine, guiding the pharaoh's soul to the afterlife. The Great Pyramid's engineering marvels continue to baffle modern scientists and engineers. Its precision and scale are unmatched, even by today's standards. The base of the pyramid covers over 13 acres, with each side measuring 756 feet in length. The precision of its construction is so exact that the error margin is less than a few millimeters. How did ancient builders achieve such accuracy? The mysteries do not end there. The Great Pyramid's alignment with the stars reveals the ancient Egyptians were master astronomers. The pyramid's alignment with Orion's belt suggests a connection to Osiris, the god of the afterlife. This celestial alignment may have been intended to ensure the pharaoh's rebirth and immortality among the stars. The Great Pyramid of Giza stands as a beacon of ancient wisdom and mystery. Its historical significance, construction techniques, purpose and symbolism, engineering marvels, and alignment with astronomy continue to captivate and intrigue the world. The secrets of the Great Pyramid may never be fully unraveled, but its enigmatic presence endures, inviting us to explore the profound mysteries of our ancient past. What secrets lie within the stones of the Great Pyramid? Perhaps, someday, we will uncover the truth.